Okay, we are going to see the definition of one-to-one and onto function. Okay, so first one-to-one function பார்க்கலாம். A function f from a to b is said to be a one-to-one function if x comma y belongs to a. Okay, so we assume that x is not equal to y, which implies that f of x is also not equal to f of y. Okay, so let's see again. If f is the function from a to b, we take two elements. Suppose in question itself they given the elements. Okay, if functions we'll see later. Suppose they given the elements, two elements, we assume that x is not equal to y. Then to prove that f of x is not equal to f of y, then f is one-to-one function. Okay, suppose in question itself they given the functions. So function கொடுத்திருந்தா f of x value கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா we assume that f of x equal to f of y. Then to prove that x equal to y, okay, if x equal to y we get the answer, then f is one-to-one function. Okay, I repeat, if f from a to b, x and y is given, we assume that point கொடுத்திருந்தா not equal to எடுக்கணும், function கொடுத்திருந்தா equal to எடுத்துக்கணும். So here they given the point, then f of x equal to is not equal to f of y. Okay, so in otherwise same f from a to b, they given f of x, then we assume that f of x equal to y, which implies that x equal to y, then f is one-to-one function. Okay, next onto function. So in onto function, same f from a to b, a belongs to a and small b belongs to b, then f of a equal to b, f of a equal to b, b is the range of b. Okay, so இதோட values எல்லாம் range b ல வரணும். So f of a equal to b ன்னு வந்துச்சுன்னா it's onto function. or நம்ம டயக்ராமில் இதுக்கு எல்லா மேப்பிங்க்கு இருந்ததுன்னா இங்கே எல்லா elements have the pre-image, all images have the pre-image, then it's onto function. If any one elements is not having the, or any one image does not have the pre-image, then it's called not onto function. Okay, all images have the pre-images. Okay, so now images, pre-images definition last videos le பார்த்தோம். So here this is a diagram. Suppose you take a natural number, f is the function from n to n. So இங்க 1 2 3 4 இருக்கு, இங்க 1 2 3 4 இருக்கு. So all this is image points. Okay, this is image point, this is pre-image point. So all images are pre-image, then it's called onto function. If any one image does not have the pre-image, it's called not onto function. Okay, example 1.16, check whether the following for one-to-oneness and onto-ness. f from r to r defined by f of x equal to 1 by x, and f from r minus r differ 0 to r defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. check whether the following for one-to-oneness and onto-ness. First Roman, f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. Second Roman, f from R differs 0 to R defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. Okay. Example 1.16 solution. F from R to R, f of x equal to 1 by x. Not at all a function, because if we take 0 from R, so 0, suppose 0, the domain is f of 0 equal to 1 by 0, so equal to infinity, not defined. Therefore it's not a function because here 0 is there. Okay, so not a function means it's not one-to-one, not onto function. Okay, so say next to second Roman, suppose we remove 0 from R, what will happen? It becomes a function. So it becomes function. Let verify that it's one-to-oneness and onto-ness. So first we verify one-to-oneness. So that's why we take f of x equal to f of y. F of x equal to f of y. Then f of x value is 1 by x. So f of y value is 1 by y, which implies that we take reciprocal on both sides. It becomes x equal to y. Then we get the result. Therefore f is one-to-one function. Okay, but not a onto function, because here we remove 0. So here 0 is there. So 0 not have the pre-image. 0 not has the pre-image. So it's not onto, but one-to-one function. Okay, I show in the diagram. In diagram you see 1 2 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 1 by 2, and 2 goes to here 1 by 2. Okay, so but 0 is there. So 0 not having any pre-image. Okay, therefore it's not onto function.